Hi guys, I'm Valerie from DIY-Robotics. Welcome to our free demo. In this short video, you'll see that through our business model, we can offer a solution for every manufacturer. Whether you're looking for a turnkey solution or a do-it-yourself approach, we've got a solution for you. Now, before I head into our business model and product line, here's our story. DIY-Robotics was actually launched by CFM Robotics, a business that's been in the market for almost 25 years now. At the beginning, CFM Robotics was more into automated machinery. We quickly evolved towards modular automated machinery in order to add flexibility to our projects. So it was a no-brainer that the next step for us was to head into robotics, which is what we did in the early 2000s. Back then, what we'd see in the robotics industry was a more conventional approach. So you'd have an integrator that would go to an end user's facility, build a whole project from beginning to end directly in their production line. We didn't take that direction. We came up with the concept of standard mobile and modular robotic cells, therefore building the whole project from beginning to end at our own facility and implementing the project at the end user's facility only once the robotic cell was up and running. Normally, our installations at the end user's facility last between 2 to 4 days. When we compare it to a conventional approach, which could take up weeks and even months sometimes, it's way better to go with a standard product such as our cells. We developed 7 products that evolved over the past 15 years. And in 2019, we felt that we had a mature product that was ready to be launched worldwide, which is when we decided to do a spin-off of our product line under the DIY-Robotics brand. Now, more about our product line. As I mentioned, they're completely modular. You can therefore interchange the different modules mechanically if your needs change over time. They're also mobile and completely flexible, meaning that you can move them from one machine to another, and you can also decide to integrate the robotic cells at your own rhythm. They are pre-secured and affordable because we are exclusive to Fanuc robots. We get great discounts, which makes us very competitive on the market. You can see our prices online. Our product line is also completely plug and play. So not only are the electrical and pneumatic panels already set to go, but there are also multiple programs that are already in the robot. As you get the robotic cell at your facility, all that's left to do is to add the tooling and the specific process application that you want to robotize. And we're talking a 3-week delivery because our product line is off the shelf. Now here's our product line. So as you can see, we offer both collaborative robotic cells and modular robotic cells. Our robotic cells are compatible with Fanuc robots, starting with LR mates, and they can go all the way up to an M710. Bringing a lot of flexibility and different payload and reach capacities. Here are a few examples of various applications that have been done in our robotic cells. We can do various assembly processes. We can do cutting processes as well, such as laser cutting, ultrasonic cutting, or spindle cutting. We can also do simple pick and place, machine tending, for example. And they can also do material application, such as foaming, gluing, or tape applications. Now, aside from offering the ideal foundation of any robotic project with our plug-and-play products, DIY-Robotics is also an online community that is directly on our website. So we basically took all the baggage and the know-how that we developed over the past 25 years, and we put it through documentation, tutorials, programming templates that we put all accessible directly on our website. Everything is based on an open source business model. So you can basically download some documents, you can even copy and paste some programs directly into your robot. We even have a forum where you can basically access 24/7 support with obviously some very specialized people from DIY-Robotics that are moderating the content and making sure that we're getting you the right answers. To summarize, here is what we do at DIY-Robotics. We can offer DIY solutions through our plug-and-play products, but we can also put you in contact with the right integrator for a turnkey solution. Through our network of official integrators that are based all over the world and that have various specialties. We can also provide low-cost solutions with our plug-and-play products and free support on our platform, therefore enabling small and simple projects that you can do on your own with the support of the community. We also help you develop your internal resources, not only by helping them access some great information, but we also offer various training programs. We can basically take someone that knows nothing about robotics and bring them up to a certain point where they can take one of our robotic cells and integrate it into your operations. We also provide various tools such as a payload calculator, a 3D build your cell configurator, and there's more coming as well. And we offer free support. So we're not just wanting to sell robots just to sell robots. We are there the whole way. So if you are interested in buying one of our products, you automatically get a free consultation with one of our experts, which is a great opportunity for you to ask any questions you may have, and we'll also make sure that not only are you heading towards the right solution for your application, but we're also going to make sure that your internal resources have what it takes to bring the project to a success. Now, here are the 4 easy steps towards your own industrial revolution. The first one is to watch our free demo. Good job, you've done that. Next step for you is to build your own cell. Go to our website through our Build Your Cell configurator and simply drag and drop the different modules that you want in order to build your own robotic cell. Next after that is to get your free consultation with one of our experts. So by simply submitting your cell through the 3D builder, we will automatically get back in touch with you to schedule that appointment. Last but not least will be to order, plug, and play. So through the free consultation, we'll have determined with you whether the DIY or the turnkey solution best fits your needs. So the 4th step will be to go forward with that order. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.